Okay, tell me about your pizza, Hadley. Yeah, look at him. Squirrels, no screen. Look, I'm going to take a picture of your pizza. Oh, there's Hadley's. Very nice. Lovely, Morgan. Tanner. Oh, very busy. That's the meat eater's pizza.
It's the meat lover's
pizza. This is the carnivore pizza. And there's Bob's pizza. And poor Grammy doesn't have any pizza yet because there's no room for Grammy's pizza.
You can eat Tanner's pizza.
No way. That's the meat lover's pizza right there. What'd you say? Yeah, I'll let you make me one. Let me get yours in the oven first. Hadley is out of control.